Do you want to know how I created this nice subscribe and bell animation? I will show you how. Stick with me throughout the video. But make sure to subscribe my channel first. First go to your channel, then minimize the browser size, such that the space between your channel name and subscribe button decreases. Now take the first screenshot of this window. Now click on the subscribe button. And again take the screenshot. Now click on the bell icon. And again take the screenshot. Now click on all. And again take the screenshot. Thus we have 4 screenshots. Now crop them. I use Adobe Photoshop to edit images. You can use any. Now I crop the first image, and make it as standard. Now I crop the other images to the same size. For this I simply copy other images and paste them on the first layer. And match the dimensions of them. Now import them on Filmora. First we add a green background color from sample colors. Stretch it around the timeline. Now we add all the images one by one in sequence. Now go to the element menu. And find this little hand icon. You will find it under Web Elements. Add it above the first image. Scale its size accordingly. As you can see, it has a nice click animation. Go to the point where it click. Split it there. And delete the rest. Also the image layer, scale according to this element. Now we have to do the same thing for others. Now just copy the hand element, and paste it just after it ends. And adjust its position according to the buttons. Again split the image layer according to hand element, and delete the rest. Do the same for the third image also. In this image you can see, its position is little bit upward. To match it with previous one. We drag this image layer just above the previous one. Just to match the position. Double click the layer. Go to compositing and decrease its opacity little bit. Now drag it to match the previous image in preview window. Now bring back the layer to its original position. And change its opacity to 100%. Now split the layer according to hand element. And delete the rest. Now crop the last image too. That's it. Let's preview. Now, you can add nice click and bell sound effect to it. Now export it. You can easily remove its background using chroma key effect. So that's it for today. Please like and subscribe to our channel so that we get motivated for our next video. Thanks for watching.